Cassandra Schultz for Barter Theater Apprenticeship auditions. Joey, I love you. No, Joey, no, okay. When I say that I love you, I want to say something more. What I'm trying to say is, I like you, and everything you feel for Vanessa, I feel for you. You're really lucky. You got your heart broken just once. I get mine broken every day. When you don't look at me the way you look at her, and I know that this ruins everything, and I know that this makes things awkward, and I know we're supposed to be just friends, but is it really wrong for me to want something more than that? I want all of you, Joey Richter. All I have to give in return is myself. I wish I could offer you more. I'm sorry. You've got me pulled in a new direction. If you keep